Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 4 benefits of saving rainwater. Let's get into it.
Okay. Here are some benefits on why you should save water. So the first one is that it saves you money. You no longer have to be using the water from your tap and paying that bill if you're going to be saving rainwater. It comes for free from the sky. So the second reason that we like to save rainwater is because there are no chemicals in the water such as fluoride or chlorine that they're putting through the city water to keep it clean, so that you're keeping those chemicals out of your plants. The third benefit of collecting your own rainwater is that there's so many nutrients in the rain. If you've ever noticed after rainfall, your plants seem to have blown up. They're so happy. And so that's another benefit, that when you're watering with the rain, you get to have those extra nutrients going straight into your plants. So the fourth benefit of having a rain barrel is that it reduces your water footprint. So it's less strain on the water systems in the city because you're now collecting rainwater and using it for your garden. And so you're helping take care of the planet.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so that way you can stay up to date with everything we've got going on here at Urban Gardening Canada. See you.